Thank you for coming back to Polka Dot Mailbox, and if you're new, welcome. Today I'm going to do a quick little tutorial on how I make these chocolate bar wrappers. I've done this with a variety of different types of candies. I've done it with gum, and it's a fun way to repackage a regular candy bar and make it look Eastery. So I'm going to come in and cut this at 4.5. Just gonna line it up there, 4.5 by 6. And then I'm going to score at 1.25, 1.5, 3 3/4, and 4. And then I'm just going to finish those lines. This is the last and final little treat that I'm going to make for my Easter baskets. I wanted to put a full-size chocolate bar in there, but I wanted it to be sort of Easter themed. So then you just come in with a double-sided tape or adhesive of your choice. Lay that down there. Put your chocolate bar in and line it up. I like to have the little gold ends peeking out since it'll match nicely with this collection anyway. So here's a couple little ones that I've done so far, and I'm going to decorate them up, and I'll be back to show you the finished products. Okay, the next step in this is to put these doilies on, like these here. And I'll just show you a quick little way of doing it in the middle. Just put the glue like that, place it down, bend it up, and then I don't want to use the glue gun to glue these parts on here, so I'm actually just going to come in with my little bit of glue here. This will hold it in place nicely. The glue gun glue will keep the doily in place nicely, and then this glue, once it dries, will hold this last little bit. Just like that. So then I'll just let them dry over there. And of course it's uneven because I did it when I was on camera. These ones all look lovely. That's fine. That's fine. We'll just work with that design. But anyway, I just wanted to show you how that worked before I decorated. And then I've got some little pieces already sort of set out to create a little backdrop, and you can kind of see where this is going. Okay, I have the finished products here. So here's chocolate bar number 1. You can see how easy it is just to slip that in and out. Like so. Here we go here. I've wrapped the flowers all the way around. If you want to see what it looks like on the back, it's just got that doily there on the back. Live life in full bloom. This cute little Easter bunny one. Put a little bow in its hair, some little gems, the word love down below. Follow the sunshine. Put a little flower with the chipboard, one of the words, sentiments, and then a little tag. This one's cute. In full bloom, little Easter basket, little butterfly tag in the back. And then the last one's my favorite, and that's the one I was showing you the design at the beginning. So again, it's super simple to get the chocolate bars in and out, and you've got a really cute, sweet Easter treat. Thanks so much for watching. Be sure to come back tomorrow and see how I assemble all of these baskets with all of the different treats and creations that I have made over the past week. There's been a different video every day. If you would like to start back at the beginning of the series, you can see the basket and all the goodies that are going inside. But stay tuned again tomorrow. I'll be back with a final view of the whole completed project. Thanks so much for watching, and we'll see you again next time.